is my last song. It's called Leave. This is a Christian song called I Can Only Imagine If My Sister. This is called The Sister on My Path from George. This is a song called Leave Your Sister by Your Side If You Can Only Be by God. And this is a Christian song, so I hope you like it. Jesus, I'm glad you made Kennedy, Kennedy. I'm glad you are my sister. I'm glad you are my sister. And I'm glad you are the best.
Mom's recording this.
No, she's making me more nervous.
Okay, keep going.
And you are the best sister. I just can't wait till you are 13. And I'm proud that you are 13. So I love you. If you could love me with God.
Beautiful. Do you have a message to tell Kennedy?
Yes, Kennedy, you're the best sister I could ever had. God made you, so I love you that way. Kennedy, you're the best sister I could ever had, and your cake says, Happy birthday, Kennedy. We love you so much, so hope you like your cake, and help the rest of your birthday to be good. And I have one more song for her, so if you like this, then it's all about winter and